So we got it in Nusa Lembongan.
Yeah.
Back at it again.
Yeah, boy.
Oh yeah, and some other news. Tom, you've already seen him in my LA vlog. He just arrived. He's getting some cash out of the machine right now, but you'll see him later when the hygiene is on point. And here he is, Mr. Denmark. Tom!
How do you like it?
He needed some attention, but let's go back to Tom. Tom, how are you?
So white.
Happy to be back with me.
Here, let me help you guys. That's better.
I think I've burned myself already. Mr. Denmark. So we found some little friends. Say hello.
And you thought it was like the weirdest thing ever.
Say hi. Look, that's you.
You what?
See, that's you.
He's like, what?
He's like, what's happening? High five. Yeah. Are we really going to do this? Okay, so the bridge has collapsed, so we need to put our scooters on that little boat, and I have no idea how we are going to do that. This seems like such a good idea. Go, boys! Get it in there!
Put the exhaust pipe. Oh, 1, 2.
And we have 3 more.
One down.
One down, 3 to go. Yes, bro, this is the coolest thing I've ever Indonesian style. Oh, we got the bike in. Hell yeah. So we just lost the Sam's while we were looking for Secret Beach. We didn't find it this time, I don't know why. Something went wrong, but we're at this other cool spot where we can jump as well. So let's do that. Fucking big wave. No. So look how bad he got. Look how bad he got burned. Bro, you got your shirt still on. Take your shirt off first before you go swimming. Having so much fun.
So much fun.
Hate you guys. Fuck you. Especially her, I hate her. Terrible Tori, horrible Hannah, and you don't even want to know Karina.
Making sure all the cameras have the right settings and setting it up.
So right now we're at the beach. Sam is doing his 360 video, and look at this crazy sunset. It's even more beautiful in real life than it is on video right now. Look at this. Biggest retard on earth. Here's Hannah.
Fucking own it.
Horrible Hannah. So we just woke up, and if you hear, look, you hear the fucking animals the whole night. We're in this new villa, Villa Buddha. It's kind of a cute little villa. Take a look, little pool, little house, but it's nice, I like it. And today we're going to the waterfalls. Still kind of early. I'm really tired. I'm going to the waterfalls right now. It's amazing how beautiful nature can be. A little message to every one of us, like, let's try and preserve our beautiful nature, because we don't want to lose all this. We don't. Most important lesson of today is always think you're really best when you go to a waterfall, bro. Oh my god, such a model. Yeah, baby. So this is current situation. We're in the temple. And it's raining. Hello rain season Bali. Yay. Hey, you little cow. Yeah, you little cow. They're afraid of me. Asshole. It licks my hand. It's so cute. It looks like you're teaching them.
Today we will be ready to introduce.
So the power just went off. And I have no idea. What the fuck? Okay.
Nice.
Look. Look. I made him some birthday noodles. Even though it's not his birthday.
Yay.
How happy are you with this, Tom?
Ready to slow down before you came round. I was heading for a small disaster before you came round. I was ready to blow me down.
Just came out of the shower. Tom and I are filming tonight for Levi's. Look at my little Chinese friend. Hola, baby. Doesn't matter. She just made some.
Oh, sorry.
She just made some food for us. What did you make?
I made pasta.
Was
It
good?
took ages. I know you're meant to tell me who was good.
It's really good.
Yes, I'm not Italian, but yes.
So the moment has come. This guy, he's really leaving. His bags are ready.
Ready for -7 degrees. Ready
So-
for winter.
In Amsterdam, it's real winter right now. It's -7 degrees.
Oh, look at that.
It's
If I
really.
put my hand next to it,
It's really. What was the sound you made? I'm wandering around this vintage market. 95% of the stuff you have over here is like really shitty, but I just do it for the last few percent because I just found a cool shirt. I think it only cost me like $5. You'll see it later probably in one of my pictures. Came here with Lucette and Tico and I already lost them within 5 minutes I think. It's such a mission to get through this all. Like everything looks the same. I don't know, I've been here like 4 times already and I'm not even noticing it. I think this will fit you. It's the newest model of Levi's.
Is it Levi?
No. Oh look, Beyonce is laying over there. Hello Beyonce.